Hi, today in this short video, I'm going to tell you about a very useful e-commerce platform that helps me make about $80,000 a year. It offers many advanced e-commerce features on its paid plans. I will show you a couple of useful life hacks that few people know about and that make it truly one of the best in the best e-commerce category. We don't waste time and get started.
EasyStore is an easy-to-use local website builder. As the name suggests, it's simple. You can create your store without too much trouble. It also requires zero technical ability or even knowledge. EasyStore offers you 3 plans to choose from, each designed for a different type of merchant. These plans are priced differently and offer different features as well. What's more, EasyStore does not charge any transaction fees even if you only subscribe to the cheapest plan, and it includes sign-up bonuses. Other benefits are that you are eligible for a 30 to 50% discount when you sign up for annual plans. You are also eligible for a free trial before launching your store. EasyStore does not charge any customization fees for your store compared to a custom website. What's more, hosting fees are already included in your monthly fee. In terms of domain fees, it is $7 to $8 per year for monthly plans, and for annual plans, it is already included in the fee. The Lite plan is the most affordable plan for only $14 per month. However, this plan has limited options and is only welcome if your store needs to be small. It is also recommended that as your store grows, upgrade to one of the other plans. If you'd like to get 30% off the Lite plan, try signing up for an annual plan instead. This will lower your monthly expenses from $14 per month to $12 per month. The Lite plan also limits the number of products you can show to 100 and can have a maximum of 2 employee accounts. This is to be expected as this is the cheapest plan available at EasyStore, which means your options will be somewhat limited. However, for a startup that is just getting started, EasyStore covers all aspects. The standard plan, if you've opened a business store, is the perfect plan for you as you can showcase over 100 products compared to the Lite plan, which has a limit of the number of products it can display. It's only $48 per month and can be reduced to $24 per month if you opt for the annual option. This also allows you to have a maximum of 3 employee accounts and multiple wholesale portal products. In terms of features, you get all the features of the Lite plan, but with a few extra bonus features. Some of the features that help a truly established businesses are abandoned cart recovery, customer grouping, reward, and wholesale portal. These are all features that will help you really make a name for yourself in the e-commerce business and make your online store stand out. In terms of value for money, I can say that the standard plan offered by EasyStore is almost perfect for its target market. A business plan is only recommended if you have proven yourself well in a store with a lot of merchandise and stuff. That's $100 a month, so make sure you have your business before choosing this option. Also, if you choose the annual option, you get 50% off, which is $60 per month. With a business plan, you will have unlimited access to all EasyStore features, but since it is a business plan designed for thriving businesses, EasyStore offers features designed for businesses. This can be seen in the removal of restrictions on some features such as unlimited products and storage, unlimited staff accounts, and unlimited application integrations. The removal of restrictions means that your business is now unlimited as well. If your business turns into a mega conglomerate, EasyStore can still help you. The business plan offered by EasyStore is a very interesting proposition as it is a plan for businesses but at a very affordable price. To make it easier to customize your website, EasyStore offers you a variety of themes to choose from. EasyStore provides simple and modern design templates. There are about 50 pre-designed themes to choose from. It's easy and quick to set up without requiring any design skills. However, these designs cannot be changed. Templates have fixed styles and structure. If you want to customize, you will have to hire an experienced developer familiar with EasyStore themes. Unfortunately, there is no way to customize and create themes to your liking in EasyStore, and that exacerbates the problems of a universal website even more, since the edits you can make are minimal and inconsequential at best. So if you're looking to create a one-of-a-kind website, EasyStore might not be for you. Or you'll have to shell out more money for a developer who can create your own theme. EasyStore offers several user-friendly features. EasyStore offers many distribution channels to help you make it easier for you to sell your products. EasyStore also offers sales channel integration with your online store. This feature makes it easy to sync your store's products with other online marketplaces like Lazada and 11th Street. This gives you many sales channels without you having to work hard. It's very easy to use. All you have to do is install the apps in your store. Once you've done that, you can sync any product you want to sell to your merchant account in those apps. This will save you a lot of time and energy. This feature shows how EasyStore keeps in touch with Malaysians. Malaysian online shoppers now prefer to buy their wares from major marketplaces such as Shopee, Lazada, and Amazon. This is a very nice feature to help you sync your products across all these marketplaces. Integrate Easy Parcel, Get Response, and more with one click. If you are wondering what it means to integrate apps from EasyStore, let me explain it to you. Like any good e-commerce platform, EasyStore has its own app store that allows you to install apps that makes your store easier. EasyStore has apps you can install to help you run your online business more efficiently. EasyStore makes it easy to integrate applications. Just select from the list of provided applications and they will be integrated into your website with one click. This saves you money as you usually have to hire someone to do it for you, or you may even have to take your time to do it yourself. By clicking install on the application you need, you can use its functions after the installation is complete. EasyStore offers many payment methods to help your customers pay in any way they want. There are many payment gateways available at EasyStore. This allows your customers to easily select their preferred payment method when purchasing from you. Payment methods range from the typically popular to the least popular. EasyStore allows you to easily set discounts for your customers, creating an additional incentive for them to buy from you. One way to attract your customers is through special promotions and discounts. EasyStore has a large number of pre-installed discounts from which you can choose. It's very simple. All you have to do is select the discount and set it up. Customer service is one of those details that is very easy to overlook, but is still one of the most important aspects of an e-commerce platform to look out for. Because as an entrepreneur, you want your inquiries to be addressed as quickly as possible without any delay, and good customer service is the key. For EasyStore customer service, they are considered to be among the best. This is because when setting up your store, you can easily talk to their customer service team via live chat. All you have to do is click on New Conversation. They will usually contact you within 24 hours, except during the holiday season. And there is also a chat room to help online shoppers. EasyStore has most of the basic features you need to keep your e-commerce store running smoothly. It's also designed to be easy for everyone to use and doesn't require you to be overly informative in terms of technical aspects.